fuck you want from me?
Nigga, you know what the fuck I want, nigga. I want a chicken sandwich, nigga, with extra pickles. And I take some fucking Cajun sprinkles, too.
Can I get a chicken sandwich with a biscuit?
Hey, nigga, I said extra pickles and Cajun sprinkles, nigga. You about to make me shoot your light-skinned ass over nothing.
Hey, can I get the chicken sandwich with Cajun sprinkles and extra pickles? Man, we supposed to be brothers, man.
Nigga, you ain't my brother. You light-skinned, nigga. Oh, you a baller. You got the Oscar with the adapter, too, huh? Oh, yeah, nigga. It's a wrap, nigga. I'm taking this motherfucking shit, nigga. What's up, baby? Hey, Jet. Got an extra chicken sandwich for you. I'm up here at the park.